Welcome to our training on Fulfillment by Amazon, or FBA capacity limits. In this video, we'll go over FBA capacity limits and how to use them to plan your business. Monthly FBA capacity limits replace weekly restock limits and quarterly storage volume limits. They help you determine how much inventory you can send to Amazon fulfillment centers and the best times to launch products. They also help Amazon deliver your products to customers on time. Amazon sets capacity limits during the third week of each month. We include your limits for the upcoming month and an estimate for the 2 months following, which allows you to plan your inventory in advance. Capacity limits are measured by volume in cubic feet, and your capacity is based on your account type. You'll receive one capacity limit for each type of storage you use. If you have an individual selling account, the capacity limit is 15 cubic feet, which will remain the same. You have no capacity limits if you have a new professional selling account. If you've been an active professional seller with FBA for more than 39 weeks, you'll receive capacity limits based on your Inventory Performance Index, or IPI score, and sales performance. Note that consistently high IPI scores will result in higher capacity limits. If you want to learn more about IPI scores, watch Intro to the Inventory Performance Index in Seller University. Capacity limits can not only help you plan ahead, but can also help streamline different types of limits into a single metric. Now, let's see where you can find your capacity limits and storage usage. They're available to view in the FBA Capacity Monitor tool, which appears on 2 separate pages in Seller Central. You can either go to the Inventory Performance page or the Send to Amazon page. Open the main menu in Seller Central, hover over Inventory, then click Dashboard, FBA Inventory, or Inventory Planning. Then go to the top menu of the FBA dashboard, hover over Inventory, and click Inventory Performance. To view more details and expand the tool, click FBA Capacity Monitor. Here, you'll have access to different storage types, current capacity usage, and estimated limits for the next 3 months. The tool offers 7 storage options, which you can access with the tabs at the top of the tool: Standard Size, Oversize, Extra Large, Apparel, Footwear, Aerosol, and Flammable. In the lower left corner of the tool, you'll find a chart that shows your current capacity usage. This chart indicates how many shipments are open and how many are on hand. In the table to the right, you'll see limits for the next 3 months, including the total capacity limit, initial FBA capacity limit, and any additional capacity granted by the capacity manager. Multi-channel fulfillment, or MCF capacity, will show if applicable. In addition to exceeding your on-hand inventory, if your open shipments exceed your capacity, you'll be blocked from creating inbound shipments. If you have a professional selling account, you can request additional capacity based on a reservation fee that you specify through the capacity manager. The reservation fee is offset by performance credits earned from the sales you generate using the extra capacity. Performance credits are designed to offset up to 100% of your reservation fee. This means you don't have to pay for the capacity as long as your products sell through. Thank you, and happy selling in the Amazon store!